Students, I welcome all of you to my educational YouTube channel, Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Students, first of all, I appeal all of you to watch my videos, and after watching, if you like watching my videos, then like my videos, comment on my videos, and share my videos. Students, if you don't know how to subscribe my channel, then I will give the link in the comment box, and then you will subscribe my channel. So students, today I am going to discuss English grammar question text part 1. What is question text? A question text is a short question, either positive or negative, added to a statement in order to get it confirmed. So what is question text? Question text means a short question, either positive or negative. It may be positive or negative, and added to a statement. It is added to a statement in order to get it confirmed, to confirm it. So a question text is a short question, either positive or negative, added to a statement in order to get it confirmed. Is called question text. So examples: number 8, Sachin is a good player, isn't he? So Sachin is a good player is a statement, isn't he is a question tag. Next, number B, Rohit did not play well in the cricket match. This is a statement, and next part, did he, question tag. Now students, types of question tags. There are two types of question tags. One is positive question tags and the other is negative question tag. So number 1, positive question tags. Tags like are you, shall we are positive question tags, which are attached to negative statements for getting confirmation. Next, examples: you didn't call him, did he? So you didn't call him, this is negative statement. Did you, positive question tag. Next, number B, she did not speak well, negative statement, and did she, positive question tag. Now students, negative question tags. Tags like aren't you, didn't you are negative question tags, which are attached to positive statements for seeking agreement of the listener. Examples: he played well, didn't he? So he played well, this part is positive statement. Didn't he, this part is negative question tag. Next, number B, they danced well, this part is positive statement. Didn't they, negative question tag. Now students, formation of question tags. Number 1, a question tag comprises of only two words, like didn't you, did you, are you, or shall we. Number 2, if the statement is positive, we use a negative question tag. For example, for a negative statement, we use a positive question tag. Number 3, in question tags, we use short forms of the negatives, that is haven't, aren't, didn't, aren't, and so on. Number 4, the auxiliary verb used in both statement and the question tag should be same. Example: she is a dancer, isn't she? So same auxiliary verb is used. So is here, isn't is here. Now students, number 5 points. Points number 5, subject of both the question tag and the statement should be same. we use a pronoun of the same person as the subject. Example, Delhi is the capital of India, isn't it? So, Delhi is the capital of India, subject Delhi, subject Delhi. So, it is used instead of it's instead of Delhi. Now, students, points to remember. Number 1, after let us, shall we is used. Examples, let us sit in the sun, shall we? Number B, let us wait for him, shall we? Number 2, after negative commands, will you is used. Examples, don't forget to wake me up, will you? Number B, don't forget to switch off the fan, will you? Next, number 3, after a positive command, will you or won't you is used. Examples, A number, please sit here, will you? Please come here, won't you? C number, please bring your identity card, will you? Question mark. Number 4, the question tag for I am is aren't I. Example, I am right. Question tag, aren't I? So students, this much today. All of you will watch the video and then try to understand. I will upload more videos on this topic in my next video, in my next class. Thank you.